Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Ameris Bank Mortgage Account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Ameris Bank Mortgage Account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in amerisbank.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Ameris Bank's account. Click on Sign In option. From the pop-up, click on Go just below Sign into another account option. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Ameris Bank's mortgage account and then tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Ameris Bank mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.